So in this video we are looking a easy problem on matrix, that is matrix diagonal sum. That means you need to take the sum of both primary and secondary diagonal. Primary diagonals means the major one and minor means the secondary diagonal, and you need to take this sum. That's it. So if you know how to print this diagonals, then obviously you will get this sum, but you need to be careful here. You need to subtract, means you don't need to take twice. This element shouldn't be taken twice. So that is what you need to do. So it is an easy problem. So again, let me take a sum. So before that, as I said, you take number of dot size, number of rows, int n is equal to mat dot 0 dot size. Then I will take a sum for int I is equal to 0, I less than m, I plus plus, for int j is equal to 0, j less than n, j plus plus. You need to do sum is equal to mat of I and j, right? That's it. Now again I will, so if I do this, it will give sum of all the elements. I should not do this, right? So if I is equal to 0 is equal to j, then only you do this. That means I is equal to j means what? The primary diagonal. So again I will copy the same code. I'll paste this here, and initially my sum should be what? 0. Now I will, how to get this? The secondary diagonal, it is simple. I plus 1 should be equal to n minus 1. N means what? The number of rows or number of columns, because they have given me that it is a square matrix. Only for square matrix you can find this diagonals. So that is why that is important. So if I plus j, if it is equal to n minus 1, that means imagine I am here. So I is what? 0. J is what? I means what? Number of row. That means I is 2. J is 0. 2 plus 0 is what? 2. So 2 is equal to n minus 1 means n is 3. N minus 1, 2. Yeah, 2 is equal to 2. Then only you take that element. So after coming out, you need to subtract sum with what? With mat of n by 2 and n by 2, right? You need to subtract this. N by 2 means here in this case n is 3. 3 by 2 is what? 1. So 1 and 1, that means the first row and first column. That means index. I'm talking about index. Index 1 and column 1. You need to subtract it, and you need to return what? Sum. Return me sum. So let us run. So compile error. Why? N is not defined. So n, again they have not given me n, right? N means what? It is simple. M. It can be m, it can be n, anything. I have taken like this, and it is not necessary to take this n, capital N, because m is, that is enough, right? It is enough. I can change this to n. Let me remove this. Let me make this as n again. So let me make it as n. Then here also I will make it as n. And here also I will make it as n. So here also I should make it as n. Then here sum should be. So I think everything is right. Let me run. So I am getting wrong answer. Why? Answer is 7. It is showing me 8. Why? Because see this test case. Let me take this test case 1 1 1. Let's see what's the problem here. 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 and 1 1 1 1. You are considering this, right? You are considering this, and again you should consider this as well. But when it is even number of rows are there, that means n is even, then you don't need to subtract anything. Right? It is this case I did not covered, that is why I'm getting. So it is subtracting 1. Why it is subtracting? I have given n by 2, n by 2. But when it is n is even, when n is odd, then only you should perform this. So when n is percentage 2 is equal to 1, that means if it is odd, then only you perform this, or else don't perform this. Let me run. So I'm getting the proper result. So let me submit. So it is accepted. Okay. So thank you.